Welcome to the channel where we analyze successful strategies in renewable energy projects. Today we will learn the key lessons from PV plus BESS projects and how to apply them to maximize profitability. And the picture, we look at how to optimize the financial structure, diversify revenues and leverage incentives to maximize project profitability and efficiency. Strategies such as combining long-term PPAs with participation in ancillary services have proven to be effective in stabilizing revenues and reducing risks. This image summarizes the main financial lessons, such as the optimization of the debt and equity structure and revenue diversification. The 60% debt to 40% equity ratio has been key to reducing financial costs and ensuring an attractive ROI. In addition, combining spot market revenues with ancillary services protects against volatility. Planning to reduce reliance on incentives is essential to maintain long-term profitability, especially in the face of changes in public policy. This financial planning ensures stability and flexibility to respond to future challenges. This image shows how preventive and predictive maintenance, along with charging and discharging strategies, are key to operational success. Projects with advanced monitoring systems have reduced downtime and extended battery life, while operational flexibility ensures additional revenue from ancillary services. The strategy of charging at off-peak hours and discharging at peak hours has maximized profit margins. Optimizing the operation of the BESS allows taking advantage of the volatility of the spot market to increase revenues. This image highlights the importance of adapting to new battery technologies and regulatory changes to remain competitive. Projects that adopted technologies such as solid-state batteries have reduced maintenance costs and improved efficiency. However, a thorough life cycle analysis is critical to ensure sustainable investments. Complying with the regulations of operators such as RE ensures grid connection and maximizes participation in ancillary services markets. This technological and regulatory adaptation allows you to remain competitive in an ever-changing market. This image shows how partnerships with manufacturers, network operators, and specialized consultants strengthen the technical and financial viability of projects. Collaborating with manufacturers ensures technical support, extended warranty conditions, and quick access to spare parts. Specialized consultants help design operational strategies and ensure regulatory compliance. A case study in Portugal shows how a collaboration with a leading manufacturer enabled the implementation of a customized 15 megawatt-hour system, reducing operational risks and improving the cost-benefit ratio. These strategic partnerships are key to overcoming operational challenges and improving overall project performance. Today we have explored the main lessons from PV plus BESS projects, from financial and operational optimization to technological adaptation and strategic alliances. If you want to implement these lessons in your projects and maximize their profitability, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Let's work together to take your projects to the next level.